say another couple tenths of an inch possible on the high end from what we are going to have moving on as we head on into the afternoon. We have a cold front that is moving through Illinois right now. This has been a very slow moving system, and it is going to move through the state this afternoon into the evening. And then once we get into Friday, those winds get more of a direct northwesterly wind flow, and it's going to keep temperatures cool as we head into the weekend. And the rain and that cloud cover keeping things cool today. So scattered showers as we head on through the afternoon. A few more heavy downpours certainly possible. And then as we get into the evening and that front passes, this should become more spotty to widely scattered, and a little more rain pivoting behind us as we get into early Friday. Now Friday, yes, rain chances around. I'd say primarily in the morning, and it's going to be widely scattered. We are not going to see nearly as much rain Friday or Saturday, and a lot more dry time. I even think as we get towards high school football time tomorrow evening, things should be looking better. I wouldn't rule out a spotty shower or two as we get to the start of the game, but on through the late evening hours of that game, I think we'll be on the drier side. Then another round of some widely scattered showers early Saturday, and again on into the afternoon and evening, dry again. So yes, rain chances around the next few days, but those chances of dry, or those periods of dry time will be there. 62 for that high today, 59 on Friday, and 61 on Saturday, 59 and sunshine for that Colts home game on Sunday, and then Tuesday and Wednesday, we're back into the 70s. Justin.